Good morning student. I am Rakesh sir. Today we are going to discuss about the next chapter, and the name of the chapter is Nutrition in Animals. So we know that the plants during the daytime in the process of photosynthesis they can prepare their own food, and animals are taking those food either in solid form or in liquid form. So the form of nutrition in which food is taken in, digested and absorbed for its utilization, that process is called holozoic nutrition. Now the nutrition or holozoic nutrition, it involves in 5 basic steps, and the steps are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Ingestion is the process through which the food particles are taken by the body. Digestion is a process of breaking down the food particles into smaller or simpler substance. Absorption is the process through which its passing of soluble products of digestion into cells of the body through body fluids such as blood. Assimilation is a process through which the food particles are absorbed food molecules for producing energy and helps in case of growth. And egestion is a process through which it removes the undigested food particle. Now we will talk about how the nutrition in amoeba happen. So amoeba have a different shape. It is a unicellular organism. It consists of shape which can change rapidly. A finger-like projection is there, that is called the pseudopodia, which helps to take the food particles. Now through the picture we will understand how amoeba are taking the food particles or egestion happening. So in amoeba, see the pseudopodia, the food particles, when it can see the pseudopodia cover the food particle and a food vacuole is created. So ingestion happened of the food, then the food particles are break into smaller substance, digested, absorbed, and when its undigested food particles are thrown out the body, then the egested waste is there. And through this process amoeba are absorbing the food particles, nutrition. In the next chapter or next day we will talk about how the nutrition happen in case of human body. Thank you. Till now that's it.